So how have we done? Stay tuned. Howdy doody. How do? So, how have we done? In my eyes, very well. I'll just explain what I'm actually doing. Carbs. Really cutting my carbs down. To the extent where, as I told you in the last video, in one meal sitting alone, I could have 4, 5, 6 slices of bread. If I had beans on toast, it'd be knocking on 8. It's just I'm a big eater. Simple as that. Right. I started at 16 stone 6 pound, just over actually, give or take a few ounce, and this is what I am at now. Right, it's been a week, let's have a look. 16 stone 2 pounds 6 ounce. Right, as you can see, 16 stone 2 pound. So I've lost 4 pound in. I started last Wednesday, didn't I? So yeah. So in 7 days, which I think is okay. It's the bread. It's really honest. I'm on Nimble. I think there's about 8 grams of carbs in it. It's like a keto diet, really. But yeah, that's what I'm struggling with. I'm really struggling, and it isn't that though. When you read the packets and everything, you know, it's getting your head around it all. But I've had some really good information and advice. Sorry about that. And advice on the Talbot Owners Club. Really into it. Right, so yeah, it's doing okay, as you can see. I've lost 4 pound. Which I think is brilliant. First week, because normally you put it on, don't you? My sugar levels, I'm going to start as from today. I've got a machine and see what they're at every time. You know what I'm going to do in the morning and at night. I've been told just to do it in mornings or just shortly after breakfast. So anyway, yeah. So everything's hunky-dory. I'm heading in the right direction. I'm on the down curve. So thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Any advice on what to eat and everything, please just comment below. It'll just help me out. Appreciate it. Thanks a lot.